How to add Bollinger on TradingView. Are you guys facing issues to add Bollinger on your TradingView? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open TradingView on your device. Once you open the TradingView, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the top of your screen where you can see this indicator icon. Click on it. Now tap on search bar and search for Bollinger. You can see multiple options over here. Choose it according to your preference. Once you tap on it, Bollinger Band will be added on your TradingView. And that's it guys. That's how we're gonna add Bollinger Band on TradingView. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.